Now let us see how we can able to create a mockup for the desktop screen as well, and we can able to share the desktop screens in Naukri as well as Behance too. Here you can able to see the actions buttons. Click on the actions buttons and you can able to see the mockup here. Click on the mockup. Similar to the version which we have done for the mobile, we can able to do this. And here you can able to see latest free mockups. Click on this. You can able to see n number of mockups. Now we are looking for a desktop screen. Here are the things like for desktop screen. I'm just checking this one. Take some time to load, but that is fine. And also you can able to change the colors for the desktop as well. You can choose the color automatically. The colors are going to be changed. I'm just choosing this color itself. So this black color. So click on this plus option and click on the frame, and that's it. It's going to be uploaded here. It's going to create the entire mockup for you guys. So let's, yeah, now you can able to see this. When I click on this desktop one, automatically the entire data is fetched here. You can able to zoom in or zoom out a bit, or you can able to add some details here. So this is actually taking this part itself. Click on crop. All the things has been shown here, and click on paste. If you paste in the layered option, you can able to show something different. So this is how you can able to see when you click on this layered option itself, all the details, whatever you are seeing here, that has been showcased in this part itself. And this is where you can able to create this type of mockup. Now I'm going to show you one more option. Say you want to create a different version. I'm just selecting this version of option here, and it's still loading. It takes some time, and I'm just selecting one more different option. So I have chosen this option. In this option, I'm going to have this desktop too. So click on this place and click on the desktop too, and it is loading, and you can able to see the details has been updated here. You can just align this and click on crop. That's it. There is an option here. If you click on layered, what happens is this is going to show all the details within the layer itself. If you didn't click on the layer, it actually generates an image itself, which is a PNG option. So I need the entire options, like, so I'm just clicking on the layer and clicking on this paste itself, and you can see the entire frame has been updated here. All these things has been updated in the mockup, and you can write any of the things, something which we have designed for the mobile screen itself. We can able to design, we can change the background. Let us say I'm going to change the background for this color, something, adding this color itself. This looks really good, and I'm just changing this size itself, and then changing the height, this rectangle height itself, and just write whatever you want, like let us say pet care, right? This is how you can able to change these things. So this is how you can able to create the mockup for your presentations, or like uploading the designs in Behance or Naukri for desktop as well.